Hello, Meenakshi from Swaupchar. Today I am sharing color therapy for something which is underlying cause of many issues in the body. It could be headache, it could be vertigo, it could be high BP also. So that is constipation. So on your left hand, small finger, you use indigo. On your left hand, middle finger, use red. Just in case it is still not happening, so you will add some more colors. Right hand, small finger, violet, that is purple. Right hand, ring finger, orange. And right hand, index finger, green. Enjoy happy, healthy life. Please do share your feedbacks in case you're using the colors. Thank you.